Hello aspirants, welcome to IFAS. So students, this particular session is for APSET aspirants. Their exam was conducted on 20th of April and answer key was also released and objections were taken, and now we are waiting for the results. So everyone is anxious that what exactly is the date, and if not exact, then what is the tentative. So let's talk about this, students. So your exam was conducted by which? Andhra Pradesh University Visakhapatnam. Examination date was 20th of April, and coincidentally Himachal Pradesh set examination was also conducted on 20th April. We have discussed both the paper 1 on our channel, you can check out that. Chali. So the paper was, the two papers was there, 50 questions for the paper 1, it had 100 marks, and paper 2 was having 100 questions, 200 marks, and the minimum eligibility APSET has put on the candidates are that for general category they have to secure 40% aggregate. It means the total combination of paper 1 and paper 2. It does not mean that you have to secure 40% in paper 1 also and paper 2 also. Even if you are securing only 20 number in paper 1, that's absolutely okay. Okay, but so aggregation should be 40, and for the reserved categories 35 is the aggregate marks in both the papers, like ST, SC, OBC, PWD, EWS category and OBC, NC, OBC creamy layer categories are falling in the category of general. Okay, so the result preparation process is generally, you know, it is the our APSET Andhra Pradesh University saying that we are following the performance and all everything, but we all know that the most top 6% will be taken because they generally follow the UGC net pattern. UGC also select top 6 personals candidates for the net, and top 1% from those 6% for the JRF. So there is no any such type of JRF in set. So top 6% is the the rate for the selection. So how exactly you can check the APSET results when it come online? So you have to visit apset.net.in. This is the official website, students. So let me take the tour of it. Yes, this is the official website. So when the answer keys were released, there were two the lines going on. One was related to the objections and second was related to the answer keys. It is the portal of 2021. So I am expecting the same with 2024 also. Hall ticket number will be asked, date of birth, security can submit, and then your result will be displayed. So make sure that you have hall ticket with you, hall ticket number with you. So the question arises that in 2024 exactly when is the date? So if we want to know the future, we have to go to past. So what I've done, I've analyzed the 2021 result. Andhra Pradesh set is very fast in declaring the results and all. MS set generally takes 3 months, and the AP set generally only takes 20 days. So let's see. In 2021 the result was declared on 22nd November. Just see the dates. They conducted the 2021 examination on 31st October. Answer key was released in 1 November. Release of final key within 6 to 7 days they released the final answer key. And on 22nd November they released the result. They declared the result. So only 21 days, within 21 days they declared the results. So students, this is how your result will be declared. The PDF will look like this. So by going through 2021, if I assume that APSET Andhra Pradesh University will take only 25 days maximum for the result declaration. So the tentative dates are 20 to 25 May. Okay, so this is the tentative date. I'm expecting that APSET result will be out. So let's see how it goes, students. Okay. So let me know that what are your thoughts about it, because only 21 days was taken in 2021. So obviously in the only 20 to 25 days will be taken in this year also. And students, I know that your preparations are at peak level, so don't waste that preparation. You should use that preparation for the NTA UGC NET. NTA UGC NET examination forms are out. They are from 20 April to 10th of May. ठीक है, today is the last date for UGC NET examination form. So how exactly you can fill the form, examination form? The video is already uploaded on the our YouTube channel, so you can check out that how exactly you by yourself can fill up the application form. ठीक है, so today is the last day, 10th May, according to the notification. There is no any news, such news as extension right now, but this is the date, so you should fill this form also. And if you want to prepare, if you want to top the net also, so you can be with us. We can give you the mentorship. We are conducting the batch live, paper 1 batch live sessions from 29th of April. So IFS 30 is the code you can get the discount for. And if you want to prepare for paper 2, especially for the geography, we are having recorded course of geography as well as for the test series. I'm the geography faculty, so my recorded course are there. My design test series also there. Unit wise mock test plus the full mock length test is available. So how exactly you can access it? This is by our application, IFS application, or by our website. In our application, you will get free prime classes, free recorded class, previous year question papers, practice questions, handouts, analysis of the paper, that how what is the trend in which unit is most scoring. So this is our paper analysis, which is free. These are the things which are available free of cost on our application. So you should download these. We are available on both Apple and Google Play Store. Exam pattern, exam cutoff, all these things are available. Okay. All right. So if you are having any doubts, any queries, you can tell me in the comment box. And how many numbers you are getting, tell me in the comment box, and I will try to answer that, whether you are on the edge, you are in the safe area, if you are in the danger area. So let's check out. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.